My name is Fahim. For a long time, I waited for big opportunities. I thought success would come when something big happened. A big chance, a big moment, a big change. Until then, I did very little. If I had free time, I wasted it. If I saw a small chance to learn, I ignored it because I believed small things did not matter. One day, my teacher gave us a simple task. Speak in English for 1 minute every day. It sounded too small. Just 1 minute. I thought, what difference will 1 minute make? So I ignored it. Days passed. Then one day, I saw a classmate speaking confidently. His English was improving. I asked him, "What are you doing differently?" He replied, "I practice 1 minute every day." That surprised me. Just 1 minute? The next day, I decided to try. I stood in front of a mirror. I spoke in English for 1 minute. It felt strange. I made mistakes, but I completed it. The next day, I did it again. Then again. Days passed. Weeks passed. Slowly, things changed. My hesitation reduced. My confidence improved. My sentences became smoother. All from one small habit. I realized something important. Small opportunities create big growth. We often ignore small chances. 1 minute of practice, 1 page of reading, 1 new word. But these small actions build strong skills over time. Now, whenever I get a small opportunity, I use it. Because I know big success is built from small steps. Final thought. Do not wait for big opportunities. Use small moments. They create powerful growth. Ending line. Keep learning English. Keep using small opportunities. And always remember, small efforts today create big success tomorrow.